Hi, let's look at this question together. This question is actually from the P5 workbook. The figure is made up of two identical rectangles and a triangle. What is the area of the figure? So let's look at the figure. This is the two identical rectangles and this is the triangle. Our job is to find the area of this figure. From the question itself, we know that there are two identical rectangles. The length of the rectangle is 20 centimeter. That means from here to here is 20 centimeter. The length plus the breadth of the rectangles is 27 centimeter. So which means that from this point to this point is 27. So based on these two dimensions, we know that the breadth of the rectangle is 27 minus 20 or 7 centimeter because this is 20. So this is 27. So it's 27 minus 20. Here must be 7. At the same time, the height of the triangle is 20 minus 7 centimeter equal to 13 centimeter. Why? Because this whole height is 20. Now we know that this is 7. Okay, so here the height of the triangle itself must be only 13. Okay, so from the question, these are the extra numbers that I can find. Okay, so now we have all these dimensions. How do we solve the problem? Okay, I'm going to introduce to you two methods of solving. Method number one, okay, method number one is quite straightforward. The area of the rectangle, you know that it's called the length multiplied by the breadth. So 20 times 7 is equal to 140 centimeter square. So one rectangle is 140 centimeter square. Okay, the area of the triangle, okay, is half base times height. So the base is here 20, the height is 13. So half base times height, so it's half times 20 times 13 will give us 130 centimeters square. Total area of the figure is 2 rectangle plus 1 triangle. So I get 140 plus 140 plus 130. That will give me 410 centimeter square. Okay, so this is method 1 of solving the problem. Now let's take a look at method 2. Okay, for method 2, for those who have watched my video about P5 about the area of triangle, this is a very important concept. Okay, if I have a figure that looks like this, okay, as long as it's a four-sided with a triangle inside and the triangle are touching at the corner and touching the side of the rectangle or a square, the area in green is always equal to the area in red, regardless of how it's been cut. So I repeat, the area in green is always area equal to the area in red, provided, okay, they are touching at the corner of the rectangle or the square. You notice here it touched the corner below and the touch corner below. Okay, so the area in green is always equal to area in red. So if based on this, okay, if I draw this figure, this area in green is also equal to the area in red. So now I can say that the area of this figure, of course without the red, is area of the big rectangle. The big rectangle refer to 27 by 20, this big rectangle, minus away the area of the triangle, will give me the area of this figure. So the area of the big rectangle is 20 multiplied by 27 is 540 centimeters square. The area of the triangle is half times base times height. Half times 20 times 30 is 130 centimeters square. So the answer is same, 410 centimeters square. Okay, so this is the second method of solving, which is faster, but of course you need to understand this concept. I hope it helps.